Okay, I'm taking my flexi rods out, and this is the first time I've done flexi rods in about like 3 to 4 years. So let's get into it. I'm so scared to take these out. I really don't know how it's gonna go. I put them in yesterday night because I knew I was going somewhere later on today. I put them in yesterday night at like 7. It is now 5 p.m. the next day, so it's been in probably for like a good 24 hours, shy of a couple hours. But I accidentally sprayed water on the top of my head in the shower. So let's just hope and pray that that didn't mess up anything and that they're actually fully dry. They still do feel dry. I'm so nervous. I literally was like, Lord, please pray this turns out good. I was literally asking Jesus. I was like, Holy Spirit, please make sure this comes out good, because you know it's serious when you really gotta ask the Lord about your hair, which you should always do because you know what he's talking about. I'm gonna be using the BioSoap leave-in oil. It's really good. It's very light, but it'll get the job done and separate them really well. So I'm gonna use this while I take them out because I think it will really help with the takedown process. Always have some oil in your hair when you're taking out flexi rods. That's a must. Let's take the first one out. The saving grace is that if this doesn't come out good, I'm going to a theater. I'm going to see a show, so no one's gonna really see it, you know? And then I can figure it out what I'm doing tomorrow for church with it. Might be in a bun. Gotta take them out a certain way. Oh. 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 She's bouncy. Okay. There might be hope. She's very bouncy. I like her. She's bouncy. Oh, I like her. I think I bounce her too much now. They're kind of just falling out. Okay, the ends for this one weren't that great, but the curls there can be worked with. Look at her. She's pretty. I just used a lot of body and a little bit of the TGIN butter cream moisturizer, and that was it. I also put a protein treatment in my hair before I did this. That was much needed. So that's about it of all I did for products. I try to keep it very light if I'm doing one of these. And years ago, I literally would just use a little bit of Blue Magic and the only foam I had in the house, which was Pump It Up. Y'all know about some Pump It Up, and that was it. And they always used to turn out great. So less is more when it comes to flexi rods, and really making sure your ends are tucked and in there. Even sleeping in these, I had my doobie on and my scarf, and I was good. Like, it was chill. Look at her. She's bouncy too, and she feels so silky and soft. Love that. They're literally just falling off the bone. Tenderism. Can flexi rods be considered tenderism? I don't know. Where's Mr. Tenderism to be the judge of that? But they're kind of just falling off the bone. I like that. Yeah, look at those. Now, but on their own, they're doing great. We'll see what happens when I start to separate them, okay? I think we should be good, though. Like I said, when you say a prayer while you're doing your hair and doing a style, the Lord can't do nothing but show up for you. I mean, you included him in the process. Who know hair better than him? Let's take out a front one just to really see what it's doing. Will this one fall off the bone? I don't think so. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at her. She's cute. I like her. I'm trying to debate if I want to blow dry the inside of my hair first and then separate them, or separate them and then blow dry. I think it's going to be the latter. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to Mr. Tenderism because they're literally falling off the bone. So cute. Love that. This was actually not too bad either. Sometimes when you're doing flexi rods, it can be a force because you're like going over it over and over again, but this really wasn't bad. This could have been a little better. You can kind of see my hair. My hair is wet right here. I was in the shower, so I'm understandable about that. I might just blow dry this out before I take all of them out. Wow. Look at her. Yeah, this whole front section is wet. It's really just my scalp, so I'm not too mad about it, but I definitely need to blow dry it. Now, the front ones are the most important ones. And she delivered. Yes, thank you, girl. Wow. Shirley Caesar could never. I mean, not Shirley Caesar, girl. Never want the smoke. Shirley Temple could never. Let's blow dry the perimeter. I'm gonna add some oil to it because I have so much left on my hands. I usually just pull like this and take out and go like that. Nothing too crazy. Making sure that they're still formed so that there's no mess ups. Ooh. The back uncurled so nicely. I'm just taking my time, uncurling them. That Lotta body is the truth too. I was gonna buy the do, but my local beauty supply store had it for $16, and I was not paying $16 for the do. But I hear good things. But I do like Lotta Body's products. They do a good job as well. But y'all let me know if I should have went with the do. Okay, y'all, home stretch. I'm getting so tired from doing this. I don't even know why. Literally feel like I'm doing an arm workout, and it's not even that much. So you know I need to get back in the gym. The separation is going really good. I feel like Annie. Shout out to Kavajane. Is that her name from Annie? Kavajane? Shout out to her because I feel like her. You're never fully dressed without a smile. Like, tell me I'm not Annie. Like, tomorrow. Okay, this side is still damp. I don't know why, but when I blow dry, I'm just gonna blow dry this a little extra. Okay, final one. This one has come out really good. So this takedown process was a 10 out of 10. Definitely praising God because it actually came out really good. Gotta do a little manipulation, but I'm very pleased with how these flexi rods came out. Okay, so this is it. Fresh off taking it down, we're gonna manipulate it a little bit to give it a style because right now it just looks very floppy. But look at these curls in the front. I'm very impressed. Oh, we forgot to take one out. Hold on. Yeah, this is what it's giving so far. Like, look at that back. A lot of curls, a lot of bounce. I'm gonna start blow drying the sections out and then we'll continue styling. Okay, this is so far what I've got. I feel like it can be done more. So we're gonna go back in and push it to the limit. I blow dried it out and I changed my outfit. This is how much got like longer, I guess you could say. I was gonna keep going, but I'm like, it'll get longer overnight because when I pineapple it or put it up, it's gonna stretch out anyway. So I'm like, let me not even do too much so it'll last me for the whole rest of this week. This is the back of it. This is what it's giving. A lot of body. Okay, a lot of body. Then I also added these two clips to it. This will also stretch out with these in it. I might overnight put it in a ponytail so that it really gets the front to stretch. This is basically the finished look for day one. And maybe I'll take a progression over the next couple days to see how big it really will get because I know it'll end up being like an afro at certain points. My only reservation is at night wrapping it because I noticed in the past when I would do flexi rods and I try to wrap it at night, the next morning I'd wake up with flat curls and stuff. So I think I might maybe ponytail the back section and then ponytail like each section and then just like put my wrap on and sleep with my head like this. Beauty is pain, so I'm not even like worried about it. I kind of already sleep on my stomach anyway, so it won't be too bad. And then tomorrow morning we'll see what it looks like. I feel like Kovanjane, I feel like Shirley Temple, I feel like all the girlies with the curly hairs, you know? It really is such a great style too. And I did my edges as well. I just had to get laid, okay? But yes, I love it. It definitely has potential to be my everyday style because I'm looking for something I can do all summer. And if this works out in the humidity, it'll be my summer hairstyle. So we will see. This is the progression of it, and this is my little flexi rod tutorial. I hope you guys liked it.